What's up guys? This is Lovejeet Arora. Welcome in the Tech Queen channel. So in this video, we are going to start our new chapter, that is string handling in Java. So in the previous lecture, in the previous video, we have discussed the characters, the functions of the characters. Now here in this class, we are going to start a new chapter, string handling in Java. As you know that we are discussing in this channel ICSE class 10th computer applications complete syllabus. Okay, so this is our chapter string handling. Let's start our chapter, that is string handling. So first of all, the question is, what is string? So string means it is a series of characters. It is a series of characters. So what do you mean by the series of character? Let's say here this is R, this is an character. Okay, this O is a character, S is a character, E is a character. When all these characters combined together in a series form, that is called a string. We can say that an array of characters. An array of character. Let's take an example of arrays here. For example, this X. Okay, so X name is there. So this is my array here. This is 1D array. So 1D array, this is an integer type of array. So obviously all the values which are there inside this array, that will be integer type of only. Let's say that 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever is there. So now this is my array. So it is similar to that only. Okay. So it is called the arrays of character. Arrays of character. Fine. So this single word, this is a character there. This is this character. So now this particular word, this is called our string there. Okay. So in a simple term, I can say that the collection of characters is called a string. The collection of character is called a string. Let's say that I'm having a word, for example, this is cat. Okay. So now this C is a character there. A is a char there. Okay, T is a character there. So now when these characters meets together, that particular is called a string. Okay, this particular collection is called a string there. Okay, so now few things are there that is important for that string. So see guys, here this is indexing. This is for the series indexing. Let's say that if I have given the example in the previous slide, that is a cat. Okay. So now this is my character, this is character, this is character. So here this is 0th number index, this is 1 number index, this is 2 number index. Okay. So indexing is there like an arrays. Okay. We have done the arrays. So there also the first element was representing to the 0th number index. Then the next one 1. 2 and so on. In the same way here also, if this is my string series, this is my string here. So now S is representing on the 0th number index. Then next is on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, so this is called indexing. This is called indexing. Let's say that my name example, let's say that for example LOVEJEET. Okay, so there are characters. So with the combination of character, this particular is called a string there. So let's say that this is on the 0th number location. Okay, this is on the 0th number index actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 8 elements are there. But 0 to 7. Indexing is 0 to 7. Always starts from 0 like our array. Okay, so this is about the string. So now few more things are there. Like if you know that there are two type of data types, primitive and non-primitive. So our string is a non-primitive data type. Our string is a non-primitive data type. Fine. So now string is a sequence of characters that we have already seen. Okay, there is a sequence of character. When all the sequence then combined together, the sequence is combined together, that is called the string here. Right. If I talk about the cat. Okay, so this is a sequence here. This is on the 0th number index, 1, 2 and so on if there will be. So this is a cat, sequence of characters here. So string is an array of characters. Yeah, exactly. The first is on the 0th number index. Next is 2. next is 1, next is 2. Okay, but I can't do like that. Let's say the example back, but there is a one difference also between arrays and a string. Okay, so see here, for example, this is my array here. So if few numbers are there, 5 6 7 8 0 1 2 3, whatever is there, this name is x. So I can access like that. If I talk about x2, so that means I'm talking about this one. If I have written 3, so that means this value I'm accessing that. But I can't do here, but I can't give here this 3 index, so I can't access like that, like we were doing in the arrays. But its structure is similar to arrays. Array of characters. String is a class. As we know that class is a non-primitive data type. So string is a class, so that's why it is also called a non-primitive data type, and it is a class. Okay, so now to create a string, there are 3 type of classes. First one is the string class, second one is the buffered string buffer class, and the third one is the string builder class. Okay, so this is in your syllabus, the string is in your syllabus. I have already discussed for string builder also. You can check out my YouTube channel. Okay, so there I have discussed for the string buffer also. I have given the difference between both. Okay, so that topics are in deep, actually in deep only, but here in this video we will do only those topics which are in your syllabus, right? So string builder is also there. Okay, I have already discussed this, you can check out that. So in this we are going to start the string only. Okay, so guys, so how to create a string? There are 2 methods. One is the direct assignment, and the second one is called using the new keyword. Okay, so guys, here string, literal string, this is my class. So this is the object of my class, and I'm just assigning this. What I'm going to do, I'm just assigning this string to this s. For example, let's say that if I have written there x is equals to 10. So what exactly we are doing, that this 10 we are assigning to x. So in the similar way, in the same way, I'm just assigning this to this object. Okay, so in the second way, we are using there a new keyword. That is our operator. New is the operator there. So usually we are just using this new when we are making the object of a class. We are using this when we are making the object of a class. As we know that string is a class, so s is called the object of this class. So now with the help of new, we are just creating this and we are assigning this the value. The value means this is a string type of. Okay, so Lovejeet Arora, we are just assigning to this s. Okay, so these are the 2 ways through that we are creating a string. As we know that string object is an immutable. So now there are 2 type of property, immutable and mutable. Mutable that can be changed and immutable that cannot be changed. Okay, so this is the way how we can create our string. And now here we are going to start few functions related to the string handling, to lowercase method and to the uppercase method. So first of all, let's see here the definition of that. Okay, so if I talk about the lowercase, okay, the lowercase means that is using to convert string to the lowercase. Okay, and what about this uppercase? That is opposite to that. Okay, if we were converting string into the lowercase when we were using this lowercase function, and here uppercase function, we are just converting particular string into the uppercase letter. Okay, so we will do the practical of both this uppercase here. Okay, so here we will convert the particular string into the uppercase. So now this is also there. This is also the string length function. Okay, so that also we will do. All the 3 functions we will do in the same video, in the same lecture. Okay, so I will tell you through practically also. So first of all, you just see here this method returns the length of the string. For example, let's say there is a cat. Okay, so now 0 number index, 1 number and 2 number. Okay, so total how many elements are there? 0 to 2. So that means total are there are 3 elements. Okay, so now see, its return type will be integer only. Its return type will be always integer only, because indexing is in integer and the length will be also in the integer. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 elements are there, so return type will be integer only. You have to remember this thing always. Okay, so now coming to the blue jay, so here this is our program to understand the concept of to lowercase, to uppercase, and length. Okay, so this is the program. So now see here, this is my class. Okay, this is my main function, and this I have printed that which function I'm going to use there, that is to lowercase. As its name says, what, to convert a string into lowercase. Okay, so see guys, here I have given capital A B C. Okay, for example, let's say that if I'm giving there small c, so what will happen, it is already in the small case, so obviously that will not convert, that is actually in the lowercase only. We are just converting the capital into the lower, we can say that in simple language. Okay, so now see here, s2 is the object of my string, and here I'm just converting this, I'm just transferring this into this s2. So if I have printed there system.out.println, okay, so if I have just printed there, so what will print there, as it's a b c, so a b and c, and after that 3 4 will be there, because these are the character values, right? These are the string type of values, but this is what are numerical. So numerical means it will not convert into the lowercase, right? So as it is, it will be there. So now moving there, that is my string s3. So in that way also I can convert whatever you are keeping there, whatever you are putting there inside lovejwt, this double quotes, because this is our string, so we have to put there always this double quotes. Okay, so now to lowercase, right? So I'm just converting this, I'm just converting it. All right, so next is there system.out.println. So s3 I have just printed there. Okay, so obviously this is a whole in the capital form, so here it will convert into the lowercase because I'm using the lowercase function, you have already seen there. So this is done there. So now I'm moving there, this is my next function there, that is to uppercase. So now what we have done, string s9, this is my string, and here I have given some space, and this is actually I think L, but I'm just converting it into for example, let's say that O only. Okay, so now this will be converted into the uppercase because that is in the lowercase, right? So this is small o. Okay, so now there will be a capital O only, and 34, that is the numerical value, exactly the output will be printed this. So now I'm moving there, so in that way also I can give like we have given there, right? So now obviously we are converting it into the uppercase, so our output will be capital form only. So now see there, we have done two lowercase and two uppercase, but see guys, this is very important, this s dot length function. What exactly that s dot length function? Actually, the mean of s dot length is what? It is calculating the length. Its return type is integer. If I have given there lovejwet, so now see what will happen. This is on the 0th number location. This is on the 1 number location. Okay, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, total 0 to 7 element, but 0 to 7 means total are there, 8 elements are there. Okay, so the output will be 8, but we are printing here s dot length. So what exactly the s is there. Okay, so now see there, this is on the 0 number index, 1 number index, okay, 2 number index, then 3, 4. Okay, so total 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total are there 5 elements. So the length will be 5 only. I hope you got. Let me compile that, and after that I'll show you the output of this. What is showing exactly. Okay, so this is our output here. You can see here. Let me compare that. Okay, so we are comparing it with this. So now next to see there, that is I have given a string, that is apple. Okay, so this is my string, I have given there apple. Fine. So okay, this is my previous result actually guys, so let me compile that again. Okay, so that time it will be more easy to understand. Okay, so yeah, this is my actually main result. The previous one, that there was the old result also. Okay, so now two lowercase. Okay, so now A B C 3 4. So what we have printed there, A B C 3 4. This is printed there. Next is there LOVEJEET. So this is printed in the small. Yes, exactly in the small. So this is correct. So now next there LOVEJEET whole in the capital form. Okay, because we are converting it into the uppercase, right? So now 0, this is not 0 actually, this is O. Okay, and this, there was the small o. Okay, and here the capital O, guys. Okay, so 3 4, that is the numerical value, how it will convert. Next we are moving there, this LOVEJEET. So that is here, because here we have put the small form and we were converting it into the uppercase, right? Okay, so now see guys, there, see there, this I have printed. So exactly this is printed there. So s dot length, I already told you about this length function, that is calculating the length, as we found there 5. So how the 5 came? Because its length is 5 only. If I will give there something else, for example s dot, instead of s dot, if I'm giving there s11, so that time what I will find, the length of this LOVEJEET. So total is there 0 to 7. That means total elements are there 8. Okay, total means 0 to 7. Total how many elements are there? That is 8 are there. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the index number, but the total elements are there, 8 are there. So here it will print the integer value, the total number. Okay, guys. So now we have done this. So now I'm moving to the slide back. So here we have done this. Okay, so now we are going to start here very important function, that is charAt function. Actually, this is one of the most important, we can say that. Let me open it back. Okay, so see there, this is my charAt function. This is one of the most important that we are using in string. Okay, and we are using a length function also. Both are very very important. So this is my charAt. So exactly what exactly it is, so whatever you are keeping, whatever you are specifying inside this parameters, parentheses. Okay, so now this will provide you the char value of that. Okay, let's say that if I'm taking the example of that, uh, let me show you the blue J window back. So there is my function, that is charAt function. See guys, what is going to be done there. This is my charAt class, my main function. See guys, what I have done, this is on the 0th number index, then I 1 number, then 2 space 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, this indexing you know that. So now what I have done is, s means this string dot charAt means at that position the character is there, so we are just providing the index of that. So now it will give us back, return us back the particular character value of this index, the fifth number. Okay, so let's say that fifth number is 0 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is what? 5 is just a space there. So if I'll show you the output, so nothing will be visible there. Why? Okay, so why nothing will be visible to you? Because there will be a space only. So space we can't see there. Okay, so see here, this is printed there. So here it will print, right? If I'm just doing it like that, so see here, the something is printed, but that is not visible. Something is what? Something is a space there. Let's take here another example. If let's say that if I'm giving there 7, okay, so that will be 5 6 7. So definitely it will be M. Okay, so now let me run that again and show you again. So yeah, exactly. So you can see here there is a space. So that means space was printed, but that is not visible. So M is there. Why M is there? Because M is what? M is on the 7th number index. Here you can see. Okay, so whatever you are giving there, for example, if I'm giving there 700, because we know that Okay, there is no 700 index value, so no syntax error. What will print it there? Actually, it will print there. Yeah, it will not print here anything because we have given 700. So the output is coming, that is a string out of range. This error is coming there. Okay, so we have to provide here the same value only. Same value means the index only. If I'm just giving there, see guys, if I'm giving there minus value, so what will happen there? If I'm giving the minus value, that time what will print there? Let's see that. So yeah, exactly, because we can't give here the negative value, we have to provide always the positive value only. Okay, so positive value only, we are just giving the integer value only there, and the related character on that particular index it will provide us. Okay, so this we have done. I hope you people understood the concept of string handling, and in the next video we will do some programs related to the string handling. So bye bye guys.